Then give me back my glove.
Now give me back my glove.
I'm drinking. I'm inside with my kiss and I'm...
Yeah, one more present open.
One more present,
Now
then
we
you're
can
done.
take an ice cream.
And little blowhorns.
Oh, sweetheart, that's not time yet. You can have one of those in just a minute. It's a party.
This is from Nana.
You have to wait till Colleen gives you one. Or then we're gonna have.
Okay, this is from
We're
Nana.
gonna have when we sit down.
What do you say, Nate?
Sit down. Sit down.
Nate, what do you say?
Okay.
What do you say to Nana? Big Phil. Hey.
Where do you want to sit? You want to sit in that chair? Okay.
Hey, Potato Man! Hey, is Patty Duke gonna see this?
Hey, Duke Austin?
Yeah,
Probably.
Your mama. Hey, old woman.
There's this Ragno player in his all his glory.
Hey, Spanky! I beat your son. I beat him.
I beat him.
It was rigged. It was rigged. I really beat him. I did.
Jimmy, what do you think?
What is it?
Oh, oh, oh. Someone's just having a hard day.
Ooh, what is it, Nate?
Nate.
Hey, hey, hey!
Ooh, a hoopster, hoopster.
I know it's yours, but you know what? You've got a present right here. Stand up.
Good boy.
Stand up and model.
Hey! Let's see what you got
Ooh,
there, boy.
shorts, cool. Ooh, big hoop shirt. Dude, you're gonna play ball in that.
Hey, you play ball. You're a ball player.
Go get your basketball hoop.
Say thank you.
Oh.
Go get your hoop. I don't know.
Right there, under the dock game.
It's underneath your dock game. Here it is.
Oh
There.
my God.
There it is.
Talk.
Right there. That's your hoop. That's for your hooper.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Oops.
Good
Okay, go
man.
get the ball.
Yay, yay.
Over there.
Hey, Dade, how old are you, boy?
There's Jim Bob. Take a look at Jim Bob there. Hey, Jim Bob. Hey, buddy. Hey, Spence. There's Spence. See how happy everybody is at Nate party?
Oh,
They're all doing another. Hey, Bob.
he's gonna speak.
Big Bob. What do you say, bud?
Say happy birthday, Nate.
Hey. Yeah, there's the Cleary. Aren't they? They're a
Hey.
beautiful couple. Can we just get you guys together here? You don't mind, do you? There we go.
I
That's
can't
beautiful.
move. Hey,
Yeah,
pizza.
there.
Happy birthday, Nate.
Good, look,
Birthday, Nate.
good looking couple. They have a beautiful wife right there.
Were you talking about a good-looking couple when you're looking at your wife's?
Those are a nice looking couple, I tell you.
Should we break
All
down
right.
some cake and ice cream so we can take tubbies?
How did Tubby sound?
I'm exhausted. That's what I am. Why am I exhausted?
I have no idea.
I think that's all the presents.
All right. Nate, what do you say?
From 6 to 9.
Say what do you say again? Oops. Here's your
Thank
mama.
you.
That too,
Go over there. Get over there and say thank you.
Hey!
Spencer, come here. Come here.
Come here, Spence. Get the family closer. Hey, Chubby, you want me to take you a picture of you?
Okay, say thank you.
Say thank you to the camera.
Spencer!
Okay.
Spence! Hey guys, you guys are messing up my fading
You want me
shot.
to take you a picture of you there, Chubby?
You can come back to the
Right
desk.
up screen.
Don't I got on.
Be careful with that, Nader.
Spencer's got your balls.
Spencer's got him.
There's his big golf game.
Oh.
And we're saying goodbye to the Brothers Grimm.
Oh, let Spencer have one.
Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathaniel, baby boy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow, baby, blow, blow!
Happy
Good
birthday,
work,
Nino.
little
Good
man.
job, man.
Good boy, get everybody's face.
Get everybody's face? Okay.
Jimmy.
Hey, Bob, say hello.
Bobby, say happy birthday, Nate.
Happy birthday,
Look up here, boy.
Let's see your little head.
Say happy birthday.
Happy
There you go.
Good man.
Jimmy, say
Nate,
happy birthday.
that's enough, bud.
Jimmy.
What do you say? Hey.
Jimmy.
James.
Jimmy, say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. You got him. Spencer.
Nate! Nate!
Spencer, say happy birthday. Spencer. Spencer, say happy birthday.
Hey, we're in minute. Mama, I got again, Sue.
Mama, don't let your babies grow up.
To be a cowboy.
Yes.
Please smell bad.
Mommy.
Well, it's not time yet. We're gonna cake the ice cream.
Yes, let's do it. Let's cut the cake, Mama. Let's feed everybody some grub.
Should I just cut it into
There's my little boy Roy. Hey Roy, what do you say?
I do not want a very big one.
Can I have
Just
It's a beautiful woman doing the cutting. She knows how to cut.
the flowers?
those are
Sp-
balloons.
Spanky's in the kitchen doing the cutting.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Here you go, Nate, man.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Bobbers. And you don't.
Ooh, looks pretty good.
It's real good, boy.
Beef butter and chocolate.
Hey.
Oh.
There you go, Jimmers. Oh.
Look, Bobby.
Look what you got. Ice cream and cake.
Cake and ice cream. Now here. Remember, you use your fork. Get a little. There you go. Cut it.
Go ahead, Dan. So how is it here in Utah?
Oh, it's a lovely city. Right now we're at the Lagoon Amusement Park. Anxiously anticipating the fact that we really didn't pay for any of the kids. We just took our ink and rubbed it on their hands, and right now it's working. So
Wait till one of the kids get kicked off the ride.
once they get caught and get kicked out of here, it'll be monumentously embarrassing. So right now Dan's gonna leave and go over there and film the kids.
Hey, good idea. Be right back. Well, here we go over and get to watch the boys. They're right here. The stars of the show. Hey, hey!
No way.
Vince! Hey! What's happening? What's happening, bud? Nate!
She wanted her own. She didn't want. I told her not to.
There's Danny's rugrat right there. Hey, Charles! Hi!
Annie. She wanted her own. She didn't set with her. I told her she could have her own gun.
Okay, let's get this show on the road, guys. Minnie.
Annie. Annie.
There they are. Comes the snake himself. Yeah.
Chelsea.
Hold on.
Chelsea.
There's the snake again. Big NATO. Instead.
Hi, Annie.
Guys is looking the wrong way. Hey, NATO!
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
We're gonna shake again!
There's the crazy mother screaming all this stuff. Hey!
Chelsea. This is a boring ride. I am just looking at it.
Well, that'll be about it. We'll hear a couple more words from our sponsor.
Get the cat. No, this is why I don't buy those things. They're just embarrassing.
What do you have to say about your ride, bud? It's fun, all right. Nate! Nate! What do you say, babe? do you say, Nate?
Chelsea, wave at the camera. Wave.
Chelsea!
One would hate to admit it, but a lot of times it's been looking for Danny's next wife. We just sit here at Lagoon and... We've lost our kids, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna find Danny a woman if it takes us all day, all night, and do next. Just random pictures. See if we can get the kids.
I think we'd find some near-lost golf balls before we ever found a woman.
There's a couple of cute people. Unsuspected, they don't know we're being filmed. That's the wife, and that's the little child. There's the wife's boyfriend. Yeah, I know. He's sort of dweeby. She's beautiful though, isn't she? Hard to believe she's 6 months pregnant. We have this interesting kid riding all by himself right there. Let's see if we can see him. We gotta back up here. To appreciate this, you have to see his face. We'll have to find him. Here he comes around the blue cart there. There he is. Let's see if we can get a good close-up on him. Oh, he's getting better.
Oh, he's getting better.
He's getting better. He was balling. He's by himself. He looks pathetic. Oh, let's see if we can find him.
Oh, it's
There he
slowing
comes.
down. The happiest
Well
moment in this
done.
young life.
There he is.
Now he looks embarrassed by his. IQ test time. Wave. Be a good girl, Chelsea.
Good job.
Bye-bye, Pumpkin. Are you gonna have steer? You gonna have
Look at
fun,
the
Jake?
kids.
You like this ride? Yeah, is it a good one? Jacob, go Jim. I can't hold out much longer. I don't have enough power. Say that.
Spencer! Spence!
I don't know how much more she can take.
Spence! Spence, are you looking for an escape route?
Spencer. Wave at the camera. Jacob, wave at the camera. Bye-bye. Hi. Good job.
Prior to takeoff, everybody seems in a serene mood.
Zoom in on something.
Who should I hit? Yeah, who do you want to hit?
Oh, hit on. See that? Hey guys, look at this way. Jacob. Chelsea, wave. Good girl. Bye-bye. Chelsea grabs the steering wheel.
There they are. In their exclusive ride. The ride of a lifetime. Here they come.
Wow.
It's just one big circly ride. What are you doing?
Nate! Chelsea, whoa, you're so bad.
Come on, Chelsea.
There's Danny's new wife right there. We found her. She's giving us the goods too.
Yeah, my favorite position.
Still on white search for Danny. There's the man, and there's his wife right over there. Tough one, but you found her. Tell me your wife. Here come the boys. Here come the boys. The men. Filming your wife. All right. Hey.
Alex, come get mine.
Here they come. Down the hatch. Hey there, guys. How you doing? Good. Hey, that's what we like to hear. Down they go, down victory lane. Put a little pause here for Spencer, and Chelsea will be next out of the chutes. They're a young couple from Coeur d'Alene. They've been driving these lagoon rigs for some time. These two, they've got some moves.